Hello, trader friends. Welcome to this channel. If you're looking for a smart way to get big profits from the world of trading, you are in the right place. Here, we will discuss effective strategies for trading on QUOTEX, the platform which is simple, fast, and definitely very profitable. Trading on QUOTEX is really easy, guys. With a super user-friendly interface, you can start trading anytime and from anywhere, and most importantly, the potential profit is no joke. So for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to press the subscribe button right now. Don't miss my cool tips and tricks so you can make more money on QUOTEX. And if you're ready to trade together, let's immediately join the QUOTEX platform and we'll get started our trading journey together. Okay, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, activate the notification bell, and get ready to get the best trading strategy on QUOTEX. In this video, I want to trading in the OTC market. Well, as you can see, I only focused on selecting 4 markets here. Why only 4? Because we don't need to trade in many markets. The important thing is that we know which one is the most profitable and stable for us. This time, I want to show you how I trade using the main tool that I always use to make decisions when trading, namely the Cross Signals C3 bot. With this bot, I can get more accurate signals, and it really helps me determine when to enter and exit the market. This bot is very simple. Just activate it, follow the signals, and we can focus on maximizing profits. So, for those of you who want to trade with more confidence and more consistent results, try using Cross Signal C3. So we just follow the signals given by the application. For example, as you can see right now, the bot is giving a strong buy signal. That means it's the perfect time to enter the market and take a position. Super simple, right? We just follow the bot's direction and let the signals do the work for us. And for those of you who want to download this bot without worrying about duplicates, just click the link in the description below. We also update this bot regularly to continue to improve its accuracy, so make sure you use the latest version for maximum results. And here are the results of our first trading, friends. As you can see, we succeeded. This proves that by following signals from bots, we can make trading decisions more easily. Now, let's move on to the second trade. We will continue to follow the signal given by this bot. As you can see, this bot has just given a buy signal. This means this is the right time for us to enter the market and take a position. We follow this signal and let's see what the results will be. And here are the results of our second trade, friends. As you can see, we succeeded again by following the signals from this bot. We can see clearer patterns in our trading. Now let's move on to the third trade. We are still following the signals from this bot. Come on, let's see what signals appear this time and what the results are. Come on, let's get into position. So, are these bot signals accurate? Well, from my experience, this bot does provide quite reliable signals, especially when following market trends. However, like all trading tools, nothing is 100% perfect. Therefore, it is important to always carry out additional analysis and good risk management. We still need to be alert and wise when making trading decisions. And let's see the results for this third trade. Did the signal from the bot this time bring satisfactory results? Come on, let's check together and see how it performs. And as a result, we profit again. As you can see, following the signals from this bot does give positive results. This further proves how effective our strategy is. Now, we move on to the final trade. I think my profit today has exceeded the maximum limit, so we will take one more position. Is it safe to use? In general, using a trading bot like this is pretty safe as long as you choose one from a trusted source. Make sure the bot has a good reputation and has been proven to be effective. However, remember that trading always comes with risks. So it's crucial to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Also, regularly check the bot's performance with careful steps. We can use this technology safely, so that's really important to keep in mind. Always trade responsibly. Use tools like this bot wisely and make sure you're aware of the risks. By doing that, we can maximize our chances of success while staying safe. For those of you who want to try it yourself, just download this bot via the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.